Welcome to our newest listing in Tarpon Bay.
Tarpon Bay is an amenity-rich community located in North Naples.
It's nestled between shopping at Tarpon Bay Plaza and Oaks Estates, but has a preserved boundary which makes this community the perfect sanctuary to call home.
1628 Cayman Court shows like a model. It's been professionally designed and upgraded.
From the cabinetry to the frameless showers, the impact windows and doors, all you have to do is move in and simply relax.
Van Hoekelum.
And I'm Kristen Van Hoekelum, and together we're Team 239.
If you have any questions about this listing or would like to schedule a showing, please call us or visit us at team239.com.